Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cut this free bootcut trouser, so keep watching. So the first thing you're going to do is to lay your clothes folded into two, like so, and then ensure that you fold it by the highest horizontal measurement. For me it is my hips, so right now I'm trying to measure my vertical measurement. For my hips I'm using 9 inches minus 2 inches for my band that is subtracted up there, so I'm marking my 9 inches like so. Then I'm going to use my ruler to just roll it out. Now the next thing I'm going to be marking is my knee length from my hip. I'm using 15 inches like so. So I'm also going to roll it out also. Now the next thing is to mark my horizontal measurement. Now for my horizontal measurement I'm going to mark my hip measurement from my waist to my hip, which is my hip measurement is 34 divided by 4, which is 8.5, plus 2 inches, which is 10.5. So I'm going to mark 10.5 on my waist and on my hip like so. So I'm just going to mark my 10.5 all through from my waist to my hip measurement like so. So I'm just going to rule it out. Now for my crotch measurement is 11 minus 2, it gave me 9 inches, so I just marked my 11 inches, and then I'm just going to use my curved ruler to just curve it out like so. So the next thing for me to do is to take 1 inch from my waist measurement and then join it together like so with my curved ruler, in order to give my hip a shape, like to give it the shape of a hip. Now for my knee measurement I'm just going to take away 1.5 inches on both sides like so. I'm going to take away 1.5 inches from both sides, and then for my ankle measurement I'm just going to leave it like so, and then just trace it out, trace everything out like so. If you want it tight, you can make your own tight. For the knee you just need to get your mid point and then just trace it out. I'm just cutting it out. So now for my back measurements I'm just going to place my front measurement on my back measurement and then mark 2 inches like so. I'll trace out 2 inches, so my back measurement will be 2 inches bigger than my front measurement like so. I'm going to mark 2 inches like so all through. After marking my 2 inches all through, I'm just going to cut it out and then notch my knee measurement. Now for my front I'm going to just loop it by 1 inch like so, and then use my curved ruler to just curve it out and then cut it out. Now the next thing for me to cut is my band measurement. My band measurement is 2 inches. I want to use 2 inches, so I'm going to cut out 5 inches, so that will be 2.5, half inch for my seam allowance like so. Now the next thing for me to do is to cut out my pockets for my front from my trouser, the front pocket. So for my front pocket I'm going to be using 3 inches by 4 inches like so, and now so I'm going to just curve it out with my curved ruler and then cut it out. So I placed the hip, doing this on the hip part of my dress, on the side part, not the crotch part too. So yes, I'm just going to cut it out like so. So I placed my two front pattern on each other in order to cut it out. Now after cutting it, I'm going to measure my pocket. For my pocket I'm going to be using 9 by 9 inches, so like so. I'm going to be using 9 by 9. Now I'm not going to place the one I cut earlier on my front pattern. I'm going to place it on the pocket side and then cut, by folding it you have 4 layers of fabric, so I'm just going to cut out only 2 layers, shaping it out the way I shaped out the pocket part like so. Now after doing all that, after cutting it and all of that, place my stay on my band, on one part of my band like so. And then for my pocket side, I'm just going to place my stay on the tip of my pocket like so. Now in order to sew them, I'm just going to show you how to join your crotch and then to do the pocket. Now I'm going to join my crotch by using half inch. Now because my back, I'm going to be placing my zip on my back, so I'm just going to leave out 1 inch like so. I'm just going to just sew it and then stop at where my zip is going to stop like so. Now after joining my front measurement, now it's time for us to turn the pocket. In order to turn the pocket, you place the front side of the pocket and the front side of your fabric together. You place the two fronts together and then just the way I'm doing it. So you place it like so, and then in order for you to get out to do it, you first place it the way you want it to come out, then you look at the way you're going to join it. So you're going to join it like so. Now I'm going to just flip it and then just join the pockets. I'm going to do the same for the other side also. Now I've joined it. Now I'm going to notch my pocket in order for me to be able to turn it very well. Now I am done with the turning and look at what I have. I have my pockets all set. So the next thing I'm just going to do is to join the front and the back together. That will be all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.